The Gospel according to St. John 6:1-15. Jesus went across to the other side of the Sea of Galilee, also known as the Sea of Tiberias. A large crowd followed him because they saw the signs he was performing for the sick. Jesus went up the mountain and sat down there with his disciples. Now the Jewish feast of Passover was near. When Jesus looked up and saw that a large crowd was coming toward him, he said to Philip, "Where can we buy bread for these people to eat?" He said this to test him, for he himself knew what he was going to do. Philip answered him, 200 denarii worth of bread would not be enough for each of them to have even a little. One of his disciples, Andrew, Simon Peter's brother, said to him, "There is a boy here who has 5 barley loaves and 2 fish. But what are they for so many?" Jesus said, "Have the people sit down." Now there was a lot of grass in that place, so the men sat down, about 5,000 in number. Then Jesus took the loaves, gave thanks, and distributed them to those who were seated, also as much of the fish as they wanted. When they had all had enough to eat, he said to his disciples, "Gather the pieces that are left over. Let nothing be wasted." So they gathered them and filled 12 baskets with the pieces of the 5 barley loaves left over by those who had eaten. When the people saw the sign that he had done, they said, "This is truly the prophet who is to come into the world." Jesus, knowing that they intended to come and make him king by force, withdrew again to the mountain by himself. The Gospel of the Lord.